The BMW X7 is edging towards production, and you can see just how true to the 2017 BMW Concept X7 iPerformance it is in our latest spy photos.
The latest stage prototypes are now heading out on test, and our scoop photographer has caught it out and about near the US factory where it will be built.
This is the SUV stretching BMW up into Mercedes-Benz GLS and Range Rover territory. It's supersized to appeal more to buyers in markets such as the US and Middle East, territories where a more humble X5 just ain't big enough. And, yes, that monster grille from the concept, below, seems to be present and correct. BMW X7, what we know so far.
7 seats will be offered in the X7, giving it a dose of added practicality, and the rear doors are longer to make it easier to climb into rows 2 and 3.
This is enabled by the stretched version of the car platform, which also brings the familiar suite of 6 and 8-cylinder engines seen on the latest 5 and 7 series ranges.
You can also expect a plug-in hybrid version.
Word is, BMW might even drop the family V12 and 2, which speaks volumes about the purpose of this giant SUV.
It's all about maximum impact, hence the supersized grille, which looks to follow the upside-down look pioneered on the new BMW X2's nose.
The new BMW X7 will be built at BMW's Spartanburg factory in the US from the middle of 2018.